Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So I hope you're well and you're all ready for Christmas, in this crazy world that we've got going on at this moment in time. Now, originally I wasn't planning on sharing any more videos until January. However, there's a piece of software which I have been using and recommending since June of this year, and they've currently got a 50% promo on the pricing and it expires on Christmas Day. So you've literally got 2 more days left to take advantage of this. Now, this piece of software, you set this up once and it runs on autopilot, and I've shared numerous articles about this over on my blog, and I've been tracking it and testing this since June of this year. Now let me show you what this is, and you can go ahead and read this full article if you want. So this is the piece of software over here, and you can see it's had 42 comments on this article. Now basically this is to do with Forex trading, and if you don't know anything about Forex trading, then please don't worry, because nor did I. Now I've shared this on the blog, I've done a couple of videos on YouTube about this, and I've also shared this over in my Facebook group, and it's basically, in my humble opinion, the easiest way for anybody to get started with making money online, because you don't need any experience, you don't need any knowledge. You literally set this up and it runs on complete autopilot. So this article over here, I'll drop a link to this below for you. Go ahead and have a look at this. I've got the creator of the software on here. I've done an interview with him. You can go ahead and have a read of this, about the software, how long it was in development for, how safe it is it hands-free really, etc, etc. But basically how this works is you purchase the software, you connect it to something called a broker account. Once you've connected the software up to an account, it then just kicks in and it runs away for you. Now all of this, as I've mentioned, I've been testing this since June, and this article here, I start literally, as you can see here, day one. So once I purchased the software, I started off with $1,000 and I deposited this on the 6th of June of this year. And then in this first article here, this was day 1, day 2, see day 3 it jumps up, day 4, day 5, day 6, and then we're on to day 7. So in my first week, after 7 days using this software, I earned $211 from $1,000 deposit. So it's pretty good. And then we'll come further down here, you can see here are the profits for the next 7 days. So this was from the 26th of June to the 3rd of July. And look, I won't spend all the time going through all of these. You can go ahead and have a read of this article yourself and check this out. So let me just show you this. So I've literally done nothing. So in the first 4 weeks, I earned $579, which was broken down into a daily average profit of $28.95. So it's pretty good. That was the first week of this, and as I've mentioned, once you've set this up, it literally runs on autopilot. You genuinely do not have to do anything for this software. So you buy it, you connect it, and then you literally get a PDF. It walks you through the steps of setting this up. It also comes with a private Facebook group. So if you've got any questions about this, or you're a bit uncertain of how to add different things into the software, it will walk you through all of this. So you need a broker's account. So this is one of the accounts that's recommended. It's called Traders Way. If you're over in the US, there is another one which is called Hugo's Way. You can go ahead and check that out. And then literally you open your account with your broker, connect this up, and it runs on autopilot. There is also an additional option for you, and you don't have to do this. There is something called account management. And what that basically means is you connect this up, and then the account managers will run this for you. That costs $200 a month, but it's optional. When I first started with this, I literally set this up and did everything myself for the first, probably I think it was about 2 or 3 months, and then after that, I then just switched it over to the account management because my account balance was getting, it was getting a bit big, and I didn't want to blow it essentially. So this is one of the articles. I then did a follow-up article, which again, I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go ahead and check this out. Again, another long article on here sharing with you my earnings and other bits in here. So I'll drop links to both of these below for you. But Overall, this software, it is absolutely awesome. Now, if you're a viewer of, if you're a long-term viewer of this channel, then you will know that I do many things in affiliate marketing and niche blogs and websites and YouTube channels and automated YouTube channels and lots more. But in my opinion, without a doubt, this is the easiest way to make money online. And look, let me just share with you some posts here. So this is over in my Facebook group. If you're interested in making money online and working from home, come over to my Facebook group. We share lots of stuff in here. It's not just about this piece of software here. We do affiliate marketing. We've got YouTubers in here and lots more. But let me just take this back a month or so you can see some of the earnings that I shared within my Facebook group, because anybody could just post things on a blog or a website, but I actually share things in my Facebook group as well. So you can see on here, this was back on November the 9th. In one day, I earned over $901. In fact, it passed. You can see here, look, made it past the $1,000 mark profit in a day using this piece of software here. Now look, this doesn't happen every single day. This was on the back of the US election, so that the markets were going up and down and it was just crazy. The following day I earned $560, and then another day $287, and then I've got some more earnings in here. I try and share earnings within my Facebook group, but I also obviously share different things in here as well. I share about, as I've mentioned, affiliate marketing, YouTube, niche marketing with Amazon Associates, and lots more. But look, it's not just me who's making money with this. A lot of you in the Facebook group, you've jumped onto this and gone over and started earning money with this piece of software. If I actually go into the Facebook group for this, let me share with you some other people's earnings. So let me just refresh this so you can see this is real. It's actually happening now. So this here is someone, they've earned $131 today. If I scroll further down the page, my profits for today, this person has earned, how much have they earned? $269. Let's go a bit further down. Today they've earned $25. Someone else sharing earnings. I don't even know what that is. Someone there, someone's got a huge balance there. Come further down. Just under 2 weeks with this software, they started off from as little as $3 a day, and today they earn $57. Sorry, dollars, I couldn't say that correctly. And then look, I'm not going to keep scrolling through here because you'll find hundreds of people within this Facebook group who are sharing earnings from using the software. Now, in terms of the earnings, some people are just starting out, so the absolute minimum that they recommend that you invest into this software is $500. Some people put in more, some people put in less, but either way, you can see people are sharing the results in here. Look, just in his second day of trading, he's earned $20. Come down here, this person here has earned $1,391 in a day. And look, as I've mentioned, I could keep scrolling through this literally for the next couple of hours, and you'll see people sharing profits in here. So yeah, this piece of software, it is absolutely awesome. I've trialed it, I've tested it, and I've shared this with lots and lots of you watching this. So if you want to go ahead and pick this up, you've got 3 days. So on Boxing Day, the price of this will be going back up to $2,000. So you've literally got 2 days before the pricing of this goes back up to what it normally is and what it should be. I'll drop a link to this article below for you. Feel free to go ahead and have a look at this. This is tracking everything from when I first started. This article here, this is the updated article, and this was tracking my earnings up to September. And I need to do an updated one because I've not done an updated article since I think the beginning of October. So I need to go ahead and include all of these earnings from November and moving over into December's earnings as well. But as I've mentioned, it is an awesome way to earn money online. There's a couple of things that you need to know that when it comes to this. So when you purchase the software, you have some different settings within inside of the software. So you can have a low risk setting, you can have a medium, and then obviously you can have high risk. Now, over on this account that I've got here, this is on medium risk settings. Other people within the group have it on high, and people in the group have it on low risk. It's entirely up to you which settings that you want to run it on. But ultimately, the one thing you do need to remember with this software here is it's not 100% risk free. They've created this software on the 4-hour timeline, and I don't even know what that means. But basically, in terms of the software on here, it opens and closes trades for you based upon the past performance within the last 4 hours. And some people will be earning lots of money in here, and some people people may earn more or less than you, depending on how much you put in there. But please bear in mind that they might have their account balance on high risk or medium risk or low risk. So there's always an element of risk with this. But yeah, it's a great piece of software. I use it, I recommend it. And yeah, I'll drop links to everything below for you. So that's today's video. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. If you want any more information, come over to my Facebook group and you can ask me those questions in there. But look, thanks for watching. Have a great Christmas if I don't speak to you again, and I shall see you next year.